Hey guys, just here back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you how to make your own YouTube play button. Here is the result we got. I think if we polish it, we will have a nicer and clean print. Here is the final result. As you can see, we still have some marks. I might add another coat, and I think it's going to work. This is the result after 5 coats. You can see that it's clear. There are some bubbles, but it's okay for me. You can use it, and you can put it in a box if you want to have the 10k subscriber reward, if you want to. For me, I will let it like this because I just want the play button. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this YouTube play button, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and to support us in our Patreon. Share this video in all our social media. Thank you and see you for the next one.